Now, just starting from where we had left in the last video, you tell me how fast can you find out what is 21% of 150. Alright, so maximum I can give you 4 seconds, not a second more than that. Okay, so your time starts now. Four seconds are up. The correct answer is 31.5. There it is. Well, I'm really sure that this time you have got the right answer. Okay, so 21% is nothing but 10% plus 10% plus 1%. And 10% of 150 would be 15, isn't it? So 20% would be 30, twice of 15. Now all you have to do is add this 1% to 30. So 1% of 150 would be 1.5. So 30 plus 1.5 is 31.5. Now find out what is 98% of 250. %98 is nothing but 100% minus 2%. 100% of 250 is 250 and 1% would be 2.5. Decimal will shift 2 places towards the left. So 2% would be 5. So 250 minus 5 would be 245. That is what the answer is. First we'll find the 100%, 250. Then we'll find the 1%, that is 2.5. Double of that would be 5. So 100 minus 2% would be 250 minus 5, that is 245. Okay, so now find the percentages for all these numbers. So 62% is nothing but 50% plus 10% plus 2%. 50% would be half of this, that is 210, isn't it? And 10% would be 42. So 210 plus 42 would be 252. Now all you need to do is add the 2%. Since 1% is 4.2, so 2% would be 8.4. So 8.4 plus this much would be 260.4. So look at the next one. This is 22%. 22% is 10% plus 10% plus 2%. So 10% would be 32.4 and 20% would be double of that, that is 64.8, isn't it? Now all you need to do is add this 2%. So 1% is 3.24. So 2% would be 6.48, isn't it? Now just add these numbers. It would be 8 and 4 plus 8 is 12. Carry forward 1 here. 65 plus 6 is 71. The answer is 71.28. Now look at the last one. %16 is 10% plus 5% plus 1%. So immediately find the 10%, it is 4.2 and 5% would be half of that, that is 2.1. Add 2.1 to 4.2, it would be 4.3, 6.3. Again, the jumping up technique of addition, isn't it? 6.3 and now all you need to do is add that 1% to make it 16. This is 15%, so 1% would be 0.42. So if you add 0.42 here, so the answer would be 6.72.